Somewhere along this journey, you may see some personality quirks that are weird. Every scene in a movie is trying to accomplish something. Do all the things that you have in your mind that will inform the audience when they see this character for, oh, that's who that is. After taking this class, you will be able to walk into a room, present your best self, and be happy with the result. We are living in a world of make-believe, so make it up. When you're at home preparing, you break down what he's trying to convey, the person he's speaking to, and to the audience. The truth is, it's who you are inflicted upon the truth of the dialogue that's written there. And we all have comfort zones. The hard work sometimes as an actor is getting out of your comfort zone. If you have a personal biography for your character, that's a way to get inside of him, figure out, why does he talk this way? Is he a loner? Does he have friends? Is he a cynic? Learn what acting techniques are in other cultures. You might find it more interesting than the way we normally do it. In an audition, don't say to them, I don't think my character would do that, because your character won't do that because you won't be hired and you won't be getting that check. I made a decision early in my life that I wasn't gonna live and die in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Being able to embody a lot of different characters in film has been very cathartic. Being able to let go of the anger or the disappointment that I had in my life. Essentially, we're entertainers. Find a way to make yourself special. Give it something that will distract people from their daily lives in a way that allows them to live in this moment with us for a while and leave there and be energized by it and love it. I'm Samuel L. Jackson, and this is my MasterClass.